whatever the seller wants is irrelevant.
When do you determine that you're going to go on an appointment? So, for example, the house, the ARV is 100, and the seller wants 90 over the phone. Do you just kind of just ask them right there, or do you go to the house and put a little sense into their head?
First off, whatever the seller wants is irrelevant. I don't even care what they want. I don't even care. So the question is, we make appointments, our lead managers make appointments with everybody. Their mission is to make appointments. That's their KPI that they're held most accountable to, is appointments that they make for the week. So when do they not make an appointment? They don't make an appointment when the seller is out of state, right? And then we'll do a phone appointment. That's the only other time we do a phone appointment. If a seller goes, oh, just make me an offer over the phone, sorry, we don't do that. We don't buy houses over the phone. I mean, we're going to come look at the property. If you want to sell your house, we'll come meet with you. But that's what we do. Now, when we're making those appointments, right, it's everybody. Because what happens when we analyzed our data, now what we'll do is we'll take those appointments and do high probability, mid probability, and low probability. And high probability is someone that needs to sell, and there's an indication or in their story that they need to sell. Then there's mid probability, where they want to sell, but they're just kind of fishing, right? And then there's low probability, where there's no indication whatsoever, there's nothing. So when we looked at our data, is that how you really scale this business is that anybody can close a high probability deal. If a guy calls you up and says, hey, I just got to sell my house, I want to get rid of it, I just inherited it, any idiot can close that deal. Anybody. All you just got to do is show up and make them an offer. Where you really make the money in this business is the medium probability of the guy that says, I'm just interested, I just want to see, have it come out to my house and look at it. We're thinking about selling here, maybe in the next 30, 60 days, but I really want to know. They're holding their cards close to their chest. Those guys, if you can close those guys, build rapport, understand their personality types, make an offer, go through that process, that's where the money is. There's a ton of money, and all your competition is passing on those deals because they're doing just that.